And so there it is, closed up. Now on the inside, I'll show you right now. I'll go ahead and release this, show you. Now the other thing I like, one person can do this real easy, but it's got right here, got these little bars, and they come along and they sit right down here in this groove on both sides. And what that does is it offers it a little bit of support here in the middle. Just, it's not meant to stand on or anything like that. It's meant to keep the rain from creating puddles. So we'll bring it back. So with it rolled up, you have these little straps that come and they hook right in there, and the whole thing is secured on both sides. See? And it just rides there. It's not going anywhere. And so it's installed, it's boltless. You can see there's 1, 2, 3. The only tool you need is a 1/2 inch wrench or ratchet, and then there's 3 on the other side. Each one of these has padding on the bottom that seals, so it forms a seal along here, all the way along both sides. And then they send in the kit for up here, they send a roll of padding tape that you install along the bulkhead here, and then this arm slides into the bulkhead arm on both sides. And once you have that done, then you tighten down the straps, the fasteners on each end. And then it's got a locking mechanism right here on both sides that locks. I'll show you that here in a second. Locks both sides, okay? And then when the tailgate is up, it forms a seal right along here. And as long as the tailgate is up, this is a locking tailgate. So as long as the tailgate is up and locked, then it's pretty much a secured area. Now, granted, locks are only meant to keep honest people out. So if somebody really wanted to get in there, just like anything else, they'll get in. So we'll show you what it looks like. We'll roll it down. So in this configuration, it just stays right there. It stays secured. It's not going anywhere. And in this configuration, I have total access to the bed of the truck. Can tow with no problem. Tow the 5th wheel. And then the whole object is to keep the truck bed dry. So if it rains or snows or whatever. So this is only to keep the bed of the truck dry. That's the only goal. I had some boxes or something I wanted to put in there, and I want to keep them dry, then no problem. Plus, You know, I don't usually use the bed of the truck. If I'm gonna do any kind of hauling or anything, I always use a trailer. So I can either use the hitch or I can tow a fifth wheel. Either way. Okay, so it's closed again. It only takes a minute or two to roll it up, but it connects here with Velcro all the way up. And that's fastened up there on the front, and you'll see it's got a seal here, and that seal runs all the way down underneath them, all the way around. And then you'll see this seal right here. So the water just runs right off. It forms a nice tight seal right along the bottom there. Same around the sides. It's sealed here with Velcro. And then this is sealed. You can see the seal right there. It runs all the way up. And then these are the hooks where it fastens. So yeah, you can actually see the seal here too. So it's sealed all the way around. And you see how nice and tight it is. So water won't pull. Just runs right off. So I just installed it yesterday. Took me, maybe 45 minutes, 30 minutes, somewhere around there. No tools needed except for, like I said, that 1/2 inch. And they send you everything you need. So the goal is to keep the bed of the truck dry. And this will do that very easily, and everything stays up in there nice and dry. Okay, thanks for watching. This is the Truxport by Truxedo.